Attention Galaxy A34 users, your device is about to get a major upgrade that could change the way you use your phone every day. Yes, we're talking about the One UI 8.0 update, now rolling out in Europe. Stick around to find out everything that's new, how to get it, and why it matters. This week, Samsung has started rolling out the stable One UI 8.0 update based on Android 16 across multiple European countries. That includes Austria, Germany, France, Italy, the UK, and many more. Millions of Galaxy A34 users are now just a few taps away from the latest software experience. Updating your phone is simple. Open Settings, head to Software Update, then tap Download and Install. Once the download completes, hit Install Now and let your Galaxy A34 restart. In just a few minutes, you'll have access to all the new features and improvements. Let's take a quick look at the Galaxy A34's journey. Released in March 2023 with Android 13, it received Android 14 in late 2023 and Android 15 earlier this year. One UI 8.0 is the device's third major software upgrade, with Android 17 confirmed as its final update next year. Samsung is proving that even mid-range devices can enjoy long-term support. So what's new in One UI 8.0? A redesigned quick share screen for faster file transfers, a fresh look for Samsung Internet making browsing cleaner and smoother, new swipe gestures in the camera app to easily show or hide options, and expanded actions in modes and routines, plus more management options for alarms, calendar events, and reminders. These enhancements aren't just cosmetic, they're about making your phone smarter, faster, and more intuitive. Whether you're sharing files, browsing the web, or managing your daily schedule, One UI 8.0 gives you more control and convenience. And the best part? This update is available right now. So if you're in one of the supported European countries, check your Galaxy A34 today and unlock the full potential of your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all the latest Samsung news and software updates. Your Galaxy A34 is ready for a smarter, smoother experience, so why wait?